Hello guys, and welcome back to Newbie on this channel. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen, and this is its changelog. So in this video I will be focusing on the first 4 points. So we will be able to restyle the chatbot for which the plugin provides, as starting from now you will be able to resize the chatbot bubbles. You will be able to align user chatbot bubbles to the right, to the left, or to the center. You will be able to add your avatar, your user avatar, to the chatbot conversation, and also adding the AI avatar for each conversation bubble. And also you will be able to show the AI avatar in conversation. So let me show you how this will look. So at the first glance, we can go in the persona selector tab, as here you will be able to define the avatar image for the users. So this is the default image for user. You can select an image and attribute the users to that image. You can clear the avatar image and select another one. So let's keep this image selected. Let me move myself out of the way for a bit. And you can also set the avatar to be the logged in user's account avatar. So I will be showing this also, but now let me go ahead and save settings and let me show you how this will look. I will be muting the sounds just not to disturb you guys. And here it is. You can see that the AI has this avatar next to each conversation bubble. We have our avatar next to our conversation bubble, and the AI responds. We can show you some, so we can continue the conversation. And we will be getting our avatar, and the AI will respond with its avatar next. Okay, so let me show you some styling options. But before, let me show you also how to use the user's avatar by default. So for this, let's check the checkbox which tells the plugin that, hey, use the user's avatar if a logged in user is using the chatbot. And let us say hi, and this is my avatar for my current user account here on WordPress, and it is using my user avatar for this. So check this checkbox for this. Also, we can go to styling and we will see here some new features. So chat bubble width, AI assistant avatar chat bubble alignment, user avatar chat bubble alignment, show AI chatbot avatar in conversation, and show user chatbot avatar in conversation. So let me show you what will each of these do. So if you set the width of the bubble to resize to text width and save here, you can see that the bubble will be resized based on how much text the AI or the user writes. How are you today? And the text is coming based on the size of the bubble, is based on the text that is flowing to us. Also, we can enable response streaming to see the bubble being resized dynamically by the AI's response. So we have now response streaming enabled. As you can see, the bubble will grow as the AI will respond. We can go back to styling and let's continue. So use AI assistant avatar chat bubble alignment. We can align the AI assistant chat bubble. Keep in mind that this will affect only AI assistant bubbles. So in this case, this bubble, we can align them to the right, for example. And you can see that the AI assistant bubble moved to the right. And if we save settings, we can see that the AI assistant bubble will now start from the right, and we will also start from the right because we have the user avatar chat bubble alignment set to right. So let's set this to left, and in this case we will change positions from how we were initially. So the chatbot avatar and text bubble is on the right now, and we will be on the left part of the conversation. Okay, now we will be also able to, for example, do this centering stuff. We will be able to center the bubbles, and if they will not be full width, they will show as this: hello, how can I help you? Hi. All bubbles will be centered, and the response will appear like this. Okay, so if we don't want this, we can align bubbles left, right. Also, we can hide the avatar for the chatbot, or the user avatar, we can hide it in the conversation. So for example, let's hide only the chatbot avatar for now and save. And here it is. The chatbot avatar is not appearing in the conversation, only our avatar is appearing here. So we can move this and for example hide also our avatar and save, and we will be getting no avatar in this case. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use the latest feature of Aimogen. So keep in mind, you will have avatars for users, for chatbot. You can align bubbles left, right, or resize them from full width, because before this update only full width bubbles were supported. And let's save this. Also keep in mind that you can define how the user avatar will be in the persona selector tab of the plugin, where you will be able to select also user avatar, and if the user will be using the user avatar as a chatbot avatar also. Okay, so let me know what you think about this update for Aimogen. Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this update will be useful for you. Check also the other update logs for the plugin, as the latest version will bring also some other cool stuff to the plugin. So if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. I read all comments and reply to them. Also, the suggestions which I find useful are noted to my ideas board for Aimogen, which is also found in this video's description. You can go and vote for new features which will be added to Aimogen soon. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. It helps me go forward. This is all for today. Until next time, bye bye.